What up YouTube, Chicago fan Paul here, coming at you with an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing my Jay Cutler. So yeah, really cool. Even though Jay Cutler sucks, but I'd rather get him than Johnny Football. But I'm still going to get Johnny Football because I'm trying to complete the whole NFL line. So I got him on the top, side, other side, and there. So we're gonna bust Cutler out of the box, and he probably fumble around because he sucks so much. But that, just watching that disgrace of his disgrace of a 2014 season, that was a disgrace. In my opinion, we should have got rid of him. But we're stuck with him. So this one I love because it's Chicago, but I hate it because it's Jay Cutler. It would have been fine if it would have been Forte or Alshon or something like that. So yeah, here we go. Okay, we got the Cutler. Got the awesome bear cleats, bear helmet, boom, boom. Okay, got his hair, rocking that, the little jersey that has a little NFL shield on it. Cutler on the back, yeah. So yeah, let's go see. I told you he sucks so much, and he's the most overpaid offensive player in the league. At one point he was the highest. Now I don't think he is anymore. But yeah, yeah, that's it with the Jay Cutler unboxing. I don't have much words for it because he sucks so much. But thanks for watching.